Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix the issue of gallery photos not showing on Instagram. If you can't see your photos while trying to upload, follow these steps to resolve the problem. First, force close Instagram by swapping it away in your recent apps. Then, reopen the app and check if your gallery photos appear. If the photos are still not showing, check the app's permission. Go to your phone settings, select Apps, Apps again, find Instagram in the apps list, go to Permissions, and make sure Storage or Photos permission is enabled. Next, check your internet connection. Sometimes, a poor internet connection can cause Instagram not to load gallery photos. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that fixes the issue. Then, ensure that you're using the latest version of Instagram. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and check for updates. Install any updates that are available. The next step is to clear the cache or reinstall the app. If the issue persists, Android users can clear the Instagram cache. Go to Settings, tap Apps, Apps again, and find Instagram, and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, you will need to uninstall and reinstall the app. Once you've done all that, reopen Instagram and try uploading a photo again. Your gallery photos should now be showing. And that's it. Now your gallery photos should appear when uploading to Instagram. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!